Yo, what's up guys? It's Motovlog day, and as you see, I started the vlog in a new area. I don't think I've ever vlogged on this road. Right now, it's, my watch is turned off. It's probably like, it's like 1:30, maybe 1:45. I know it looks like it's 5 o'clock, it's fucking crazy. But right now, I'm on my way to Stone's house. He hasn't been responding to my Snapchats, so I hope that he doesn't get mad at me for showing up, because Stone's the type of guy to get mad at me kinda for showing up, even though he used to do it, so we'll see. But I'm hoping today you guys will see me on his CBR. I'm really hoping he lets me ride his bike up to Golden. We're thinking about doing a bike swap, but I don't know if he wants to. We're just gonna have to see what I mentioned it to him, but you know, Stone's kind of, if you know Stone, he's kind of a weird fellow. He'll tell you one thing and then do another, right? So, and actually I was just at the gas station. I stopped at the gas station up towards Golden in Morrison, and I shit you not, I wish I was filming, but there was a guy there, these two old guys, super nice guys. One of them had a really nice Aprilia. It was like I don't know what year, it was like blue and white. Nice guys. And I shit you not, his buddy had a 1998 red Honda Super Hawk. He had my exact motorcycle, and they came over and talked to me for a little while and was like, you know, you can't, surprisingly, who does, oh, we're coming to a stop real quick here. What are we doing here? What the fuck are we doing here? Hello? What's going on? What the fuck is happening? Hello? Okay, I don't know what the fuck just happened. That was kind of frustrating. But I shit you not, I'm always like, yeah, I get a lot of, I didn't say old guys, but I said a lot of, you know, which is mainly old guys, compliment my bike sound, right? It seems this younger crowd is not really a fan of my sounding bike, which is fine, you know. They like Stone's fucking wee me, you know, which is fine. I love that sound too. That's fantastic. Maybe Stone just has an old soul or something. But they talked and they were like, oh my god, dude, I love this bike. You can't beat this bike. And the guy said that he owned his, I gotta crack my visor, I'm fogging. He owned his since 1998. And he has never, ever had a problem with his, or he's never had to replace any parts or anything on it. And he was looking, he really liked how well, I didn't do it, but the past owner integrated everything, so I don't have blinkers or tail lights or none of that. I do, they're just integrated into the bike, you know. His weren't like that, but he said that he loves this Super Hawk, and I mean, he even had a black windshield. Like, it was identical. I wanted to go over there and like look at it, but you know, I was just at the gas station. I kind of want to get to Stone's house, but I don't want to make this intro too long, so I'm gonna meet up with Stone. Hopefully he's not mad. If he's mad, I'll film it. We can see Mad Stone, right? Hit the roof, ding. We can see Mad Stone. So yeah, either you're gonna see this next clip with me on Stone's bike, or you're just gonna see me on my bike, like per usual. So we'll just have to see. Well, as you can see, he's on my bike filming a video, and I'm on his bike. We swapped, so he let us swap. So right now we're heading back up to watch the Bronco game. We actually just got to see the flyover. Look at him. Look how good he looks on that thing, huh? You go, Stone. The full tattoos, Stone's new white gloves. I'm actually gonna hop over here next to him. His white gloves, they look fantastic. But you guys want to see some highway riding, right? So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna stop recording till we get to the highway, because you guys want to see the good stuff. I literally cannot get over it. Look how clean he looks. God dang, that looks good. I might have to invest in some white uni or some white accessories, you know. The motherfucker, fly is a motherfucker. You guys ready for a miniature little pull? Holy fucking shit, okay. Did you see that fucking Prius? Motherfucker. Stone looked at him too. Now listen guys, okay? I've never taken this bike on the highway. Never. Ever. Am I nervous? Yes, a little bit. Should I be? No. It's just another motorcycle. It's just we both have thousands, right? But listen, guys, there's these CBRs, as many of you probably know, are a different breed. They're a different breed, okay? Mine can look pretty, but this one can put down some miles per hour, let me tell you, boys. I'm still trying not to fucking stall this thing because his clutch is instantaneous. I mean, like, it's just there. Like, it's boom, it'll clutch, right? Look at that. We're starting to merge onto the highway now, but the real fun doesn't begin till up here because all this traffic kind of disperses a little bit, you know. So I do love that big dash though, 49, 50. You guys will be able to see exactly what I'm doing, which is fucking awesome. That's so cool. One more little one, I think, huh? Holy shit. Guys, I'm starting to think that I should have saved my money for a CBR. You know what's funny? I don't think he would do it now, but right when we bought these bikes, Stone's making payments on this bike, but Stone wanted to trade bikes. He wanted my bike and I wanted this bike. And let me tell you, being on this bike puts a fucking smile on my face. This is so much fun, guys. Like, all right, there's a little clear opening, kinda. Well, no, not really. I'm gonna wait to give it a little bit of juice, huh? But yeah, like I said, we're on our way to go watch the Bronco game, which is sick. Hopefully we win. And I think, ooh, here we go. Here we go. You guys ready? Holy shit. That was 100 miles an hour right there. Oh my God. That was just 100 miles an hour. Just like that. Holy Christ alive, dude. I thought I was going maybe like 80. Oh my God, this is so much fun. Let me tell you, while we're just cruising here, these mirrors are useless. I'm not gonna touch them because, you know, I don't want to fuck up where he has them in case they were a pain in the ass to get there, but they're pretty fucking useless. But I definitely will say, somebody's stone just got cut off. I will say, if you're thinking about a CBR, I highly, highly, highly recommend it. I highly recommend it. All right, I got a little bit of an opening here. Are there any cops behind me? I don't think so. Wow. Wow. Guys, this is ridiculous. Let's see if we can go. Oh my God. It is so torquey. Jesus, man. Wow, guys. That is ridiculous. Let's get a little mini lean. Oh, I think you guys hit my camera. Or I mean the windshield. Not the camera. Should we be a little reckless? I think so. Fuck, I hit traffic! Nice blinker, fuckhole. Stone's gone. I'm getting pummeled with diesel smoke here, ladies and gentlemen. Ooh, little windy up here. Ooh, really windy. Whoa. Come on, there's a big stretch of road up here that I just want to get to. There's stone. Is there room in front of this black car? Oh my god, I want to go for it so bad. I'm going for it. Oh, this fucking sucks, guys. Oops. I see why Stone accidentally hits his horn all the time. Oh, I want to shoot this gap so bad, but it's closing. Ready, guys? Isn't that fun or what? I don't even see Stone anymore. I lost Stone. Oh my god, I want to give her like one more good pull, guys. But we're pretty much out of like straight stretches of road. I lost Stone. I don't even see him in front of me. Come on, get off, get off, get off. Anybody gonna get off? No, I didn't fucking think so. Oh my god, there's fucking cops right here. I tried to go this way so I could get a fucking straightaway for you guys, and there's fucking cops. That was fucking disgusting. That dude just fucking spit. It was nasty. I'll wait till I'm a little bit further down. How about that, guys? Woo! Alright, I need to head home because I know Stone's waiting for me, so I have to head there. But I don't know if I'm gonna end the video here, but if I do, I'll do a little outro, and if not, then you guys will see some more clips. Oh my god. I want a CBR. I want a CBR, I want a CBR, I want a CBR, I want a CBR. Holy shit. Wow. This thing is fun. Yeah, fantastic, great. Mine looks pretty. But mother of God, dude. Holy shit. I would get into some trouble with this motherfucker, let me tell ya. Holy fucking shit. Guys, this is ridiculous. Yeah, I gotta get home. The game just the game's been going on for like a minute now. It's probably almost fucking halftime. No, it's not almost halftime, but well, I just showed up to my house and Stone's not here. So it kind of concerns me a little bit. Oh, I hear my bike. I hear my bike. I'm almost, yep, there's my bike. There he is. God, he looks clean as fuck. Alright guys, me and Stone are just on a little nighttime cruise through downtown Golden. And I'm probably going to end this video here. There's not much more we can film. I did that for the ladies. There's not much more we can film, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here, guys. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, subscribe, comment, share with a friend. If you haven't checked out Stone Peters already, go check out Stone Peters on YouTube. He filmed today too, so if you want to see it from his perspective, you can. But other than that, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you made it till the end. Please leave a like, subscribe, share with a friend, and I will see you in the next one.